In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable order notification emails on Big Cartel. This feature is incredibly useful, especially if you want to stay on top of your orders without constantly logging into your account. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your notifications set up in no time. We'll begin by accessing your Big Cartel dashboard. This is your main hub for managing your online store, where you can tweak settings, add products, and keep track of sales. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top menu where you'll find the Account option. Give that a click. The Account section is where you'll manage your store's personal details and account-specific settings, so it's like your control center for all administrative tasks. Once you've clicked Account, it's time to scroll down and look for Preferences. This area lets you modify various settings to tailor the platform more closely to your needs, so it's definitely worth familiarizing yourself with what's available here. You'll see a bunch of different options that can improve the way you interact with your store and, more significantly, how you receive information. Next, click on Edit Preferences. Here, you'll be able to adjust various settings within your account, including the important notifications we're focusing on today. As you explore these options, it becomes clear how much control you have over what you receive and how Big Cartel communicates with you. Now, you'll want to locate the option that says Send Me Order Notification Emails. This is the specific setting that ensures you get email alerts whenever a new order is placed. It acts as a virtual nod that keeps you updated even when you're away from your dashboard. Make sure this option is enabled. If it's not turned on, you might miss out on staying in the loop with your sales, which isn't ideal if you want to maintain a streamlined operation. After ensuring that Send Me Order Notification Emails is enabled, your next step is straightforward. Simply click Save below. This action locks in all the changes you've made, ensuring that your email notifications are activated and ready to function as you've set them up. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your email notifications to keep you updated on new orders. It's a small adjustment that makes a big difference, giving you peace of mind and the information you need to keep your store running smoothly. Be sure to check back from time to time to confirm that your preferences remain up to date as your needs evolve. Thanks for following along, and happy selling.